If you must know, the truth is, I do love being here in America. America is one of those countries where if you have your ambition, and it is true by the way, you can do a lot of things. Here's the thing. I am an immigrant. I should say many Americans are immigrants. If they're not immigrants, they are in fact the products of immigrants. Their mother, father, grandfather, someone came to America as an immigrant. And it's sort of distressing to find out that so many people are against immigrants. I don't like it. The other thing that I love America is the great outdoors. I love it. I am a die-hard nature lover. Right now you would think that I'm in Southeast Asia, but the fact is I am not in Southeast Asia at all. I am in Virginia. That just looks like Southeast Asia. Isn't it wonderful? I would love to have a woman who really, how do I put it? All natural, a woman who loves nature, a flaming liberal as myself to avoid confrontations mostly, and a woman who loves nature, who is a liberal, who is all natural, because I would like her to be on camera. Her religion, her race, all that other superfluous stuff is meaningless. I could care less. So, if you know anyone who would like to be one of my people, one of my friends, one of my co-workers in making videos, could you share that information with me, please? I would like that. Thank you. And now, do not ever plant the bamboo in your yard. They will tell you that. Anyway, thank you very much. Until the next time.